In organizations, effective management is crucial for reaching goals and creating a productive environment. Managers depend on 4 core functions: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. These functions form a continuous cycle, guiding teams, aiding decision-making, and addressing challenges as they arise. Each management function plays a vital role in shaping the organization's structure, setting directions, motivating employees, and measuring success. Understanding these functions helps managers effectively lead their teams and ensure resource efficiency. Planning is the process of setting specific goals and finding effective ways to achieve them. It provides a clear roadmap, helping managers make informed decisions about resources and strategic priorities. Planning can be strategic, tactical, or operational, each focusing on different timeframes. Organizing involves arranging resources and tasks to meet objectives effectively. It ensures efficient use of people, finances, and materials with clearly defined roles and responsibilities. Key steps include resource allocation, task assignment, and creating a supportive organizational structure. Leading means guiding and motivating employees toward the organization's goals while maintaining a positive work environment. It involves inspiring and encouraging employees, fostering a team atmosphere that drives high performance. Effective communication, motivation, and adaptability are essential skills for successful leadership. Controlling is about monitoring performance, comparing it to goals, and making necessary adjustments. This function ensures the organization stays on track, allowing managers to promptly address any issues. It involves setting performance standards, measuring actual performance, and taking corrective actions. Planning sets the direction by defining goals and the path to achieve them. For instance, a marketing manager might aim to boost brand awareness, outlining a strategic campaign plan to be executed over the next quarter. Organizing involves the thoughtful arrangement of resources and tasks. A project manager, for example, might allocate tasks among team members based on their expertise, ensuring everyone knows their role and responsibilities clearly. Leading focuses on motivating and guiding employees. A team leader might provide regular feedback and encouragement, ensuring team members remain engaged and committed to their tasks, thereby fostering a positive work environment. Controlling involves assessing progress against goals and making adjustments. A sales manager might review quarterly performance, identify underperformance areas, and tweak sales strategies to improve outcomes, keeping the team aligned with goals. Collectively, these 4 functions create a seamless management cycle. Planning sets the goal, organizing arranges the necessary resources, leading inspires and guides the team, controlling ensures alignment with goals. Mastering these functions equips managers to build productive and adaptable organizations. By understanding and applying these management functions, managers can effectively respond to challenges and capitalize on opportunities. This empowers them to create structured environments where resources are used wisely and teams are motivated toward shared goals. In conclusion, the integration of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling is the backbone of effective management. These functions enable managers to navigate complexities, foster productivity, and achieve organizational success. Mastering them is key to building resilient and adaptable teams capable of thriving in any environment.